Out here, life looks a little different. It's slower, simpler, and a lot more intentional. Welcome to our little corner of the world, where our family is learning and living off the grid. We're a family of 6, raising our children ages 6 months to 13 in the middle of the forest. No power lines for miles, no city water, just us, the land, and the lessons that we're learning along the way. It hasn't always been easy, but so far, it's always been worth it. This channel is about real off-grid living, not just the pretty views, although there are plenty of those, but also the projects, the recipes, and the daily rhythms that make this lifestyle possible. Here you'll see us share scratch-made recipes made in our little off-grid kitchen, food preservation ideas like the ways we make harvest last all year and how we store food off-grid, DIY projects around our home from small fixes to big undertakings, and glimpses of what life really looks like when you're living away from the grid, the beautiful, the challenging, and the in-between. We chose this life because we wanted more time together, more connection to nature, and more intention in the way that we live. We believe that simplicity can be deeply beautiful, and that it's possible to provide well for your family without needing everything the world says you should have. Our story isn't perfect, but it's real, and we hope it encourages you to see what's possible, whether you're living in an off-grid cabin like us, a small town, or even an apartment in the city. In the weeks and months ahead, we'll be sharing videos that dive deeper into these parts of our life, step-by-step recipes, tutorials, and project guides, and the quiet beauty of everyday moments here in our mountain home. We want this channel to be a place where you can learn, be inspired, and feel connected wherever you are in your own journey. So whether you're dreaming of living off-grid or just looking for ways to slow down and live more simply where you are, we're glad you're here. And if this sounds like the kind of life you'd like to learn more about, make sure to subscribe and join us as we share our journey, one project, one meal, and one day at a time. Welcome to our off-grid life.